Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP Color DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust your RGB color gain. So at first we have to click on the back of our monitor on our button, which is in the bottom right corner, and we have to click once again. Now we have to scroll down to color and click on the color. Now we have to scroll down till we see, not till we see, we just have to have it set as you can see, RGB gain adjust. We have to click on it once again. And here as you can see we have RGB, red, green, blue. We can move it to the right to decrease, we can hold or click as you can see. Now I'm clicking, now I'm holding. We can move these buttons of course. We can set the value up to 1023, and as you can see we can do this with red, green and blue, just moving it down and up. And to go back we just have to go up and go to the left, and as you can see now we are out of it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.